yun po, thank you po ulit sa minute nyo ng pagtanggap. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Nabusog ba kayo? Parang hindi nabusog ba kayo? Okay. So, message ko lang sa inyo kids, always stay positive. Gaya ni Kuya Lance, kasi ilang beses ko na rin naranasan na nawawalan ng hope, kina-question ko yung journey ko. So, always stay positive and lagi mag-pray. Okay, kids? Okay? Okay. At saka laging masaya and be positive and always listen to your elders, ha? Okay, kids? So yun, gusto ko lang din po mag-thank you sa lahat ng admins na nandito. Una-una, nagte-team live. Every time you guys are there to support me. So, to all the fandoms na nag-contribute dito, cheaters, Yates, Celestials, Lance International. Am I missing something? Wala naman. Yeah, I said it all. Okay, so sa lahat ng yun, thank you guys for coming and sobrang sarap sa mata na nakita kayong united. As in, so, yeah, thank you for making this event possible. Lalo na sa'yo, Jason, ikaw lang head organizer ata dito. So, yan, Kuya Ador, thank you rin. Sinamahan mo ngayon and being the best RM out there. So, yeah, always be positive, kids lang, and always stay happy. Okay, just like Kuya. Thank you.
And thank you so much, Lance. Huwag ka muna umalis dyan dahil may sasabihin. Wala pa na. Hindi daw ipon. Wala pa. Okay. Okay.
Pasok!
Okay. Thank you so much, Lance. And para simulan na natin ang ating prayer, kids, tayo po muna tayo mag-pray tayo. Ayan, meron na magpe-pray, meron na po magpe-pray. Sige. Tawagin po natin si Miss Jermaine para po sa opening prayer. Ayan.
Good morning. First of all, I want to look back to the moment when I started to be a fan of Lance Justin Carr. September 18, 2018, when I saw FB posts from Pinoy Bay. And then I told myself that, hala, parang pwedeng mag-artista to ah. Hala! Bagay na bagay sa kanya, Tisoy, matalino. And he is an Atenean. Ayun. In that moment, I messaged her mom, Tita Elaine, and then I asked her if possible to make a fans club of Lance. Then luckily, Tita Elaine said yes. And that is the first fans club of Lance Carr. Fun fact, it was originally named Lance Squad Official. That time. Then it was the perfect timing that there is the PBB audition and Lance audition to Jensen, not in Davao. He traveled Davao to Jensen, and the rest is history after Lance made it at Pinoy Big Brother also batch 3. And then, now our fandom named Lance Cheers Official, derived from his moniker in PBB also ang Captain Ball Cutie ng Davao. So that we are here cheers, whether in basketball or in the showbiz journey. This year, we celebrate 7 years in counting as the Lance Cheers Official, showing our unconditional love and never-ending support to our dearest Lance Justin Carr. Imagine from our journey to PBB Star Magic and until now in Viva. We are still here and our family in continuously growing and growing. We're always there to support Lance in all his events, guestings, and projects. Remember that the time I traveled from Manila going to Davao just to attend his graduation in Ateneo. That's why Lance is one of the artists in an industry that's very close to my heart. Lance is very down-to-earth person. He's genuine to his fans and always appreciate the effort, presence, and support of the people around him. This trait of Lance makes you love and support him the way.
Hala, naiyak!
Today, today marks his 25th birthday and celebrate with his kids, who are truly a blessing from above. Thank you to all the people behind this event, of course, Lansbury's official, artists of Lansbury, Lansbury official Celestials, Lansbury International, who made this event possible. Thank you for extending your help, guys. Special thanks to also to Tita May, Tita Che, and Engineer for your unwavering support to Lance and for being the generous sponsor of Lansbury's official. Thank you also to all the admins for all your efforts. This is all worth it. Thank you, Car Family and thank you, Car Family, and sa nag-iisang road manager ni Lance, ang pinaka-virgin, pinaka-mabait, at pinaka-down-to-earth na road manager. I love Sir Ador. Thank you, Sir, sa lahat, Sir Ador, sa mga update ni Lance. Ang bilis mong mag-reply sa amin. Thank you, Sir, alam mo yan. Thank you, Car Family, and lastly to our dearest Lance Justin Nazario Car. This purposeful event is because all of you, for bringing inspiration to us. Our support became a meaningful movement to extend our helping hand in these blessed kids. Again, thank you so much to all.